Intermediate Mathematical Olympiad, Cayley paper 2020. Question 4. Two squares, A, B, C, and D, and B, E, F, and G share the vertex B with E on the side BC and G on the side AB as shown. The length of CG is 9 centimetres and the area of the shaded region is 47 centimetres squared. Calculate the perimeter of the shaded area. Now, the first thing I want to point out that the perimeter of the shaded area is actually exactly the same as the perimeter of the square, the large square ABCD. ABCD. So if you took this line, it's here, and if you took this line, it's here. So therefore, the perimeter of the shaded area is actually the perimeter of the whole square. We won't need that immediately, but it's quite useful when we get to the end of this question. So we know that GC is going to be 9 centimetres. So I've drawn out this triangle here like this. I'm going to give this length, the length of BC, the letter X. I don't know what it is yet, but hopefully I can find it out. BG is the length of this square. So this is going to be useful if I want to find the area of that square. So using Pythagoras, now I like to use an h squared because this is my hypotenuse. So I'm going to call this BG squared. It's this length here, this length here. So this BG squared is going to be 81 subtract x squared. So that's the length of here squared. We can square root it. We don't actually need to. So the shaded area, let's just shade that in so you. Okay, so that's your shaded area equals the area of the square ABCD, subtract the area of the little square, there's a E here and an F just here, area BEFG. Now the area of ABCD is, in fact, I should draw it. So the big square here has, we've got X, we've given it the letter X because BC is X, BC is X, so we've called this, so the area is going to be X squared. And then the little square, we know that it's the length here is BG, and therefore this is the same here. So the area of this is going to be BG squared, which we know from here is 81 subtracts X squared. So the shaded area equals the area of ABCD, subtract 81 subtract X squared. And we are told that that area, the shaded area, is going to be this. So we can put 2x squared subtract 81, we can put it equal to 47 because that's in the question. It says the area of the shaded region is 47 centimetres squared. And then we solve for x. Love it when we get a squared number at this point. So we now know that the length of x is 8. So this is 8 centimetres. So therefore this is 8 centimetres and this is 8 centimetres and this is 8 centimetres. And do you remember what I said at the beginning? The perimeter of the whole square is exactly the same as the perimeter of the shaded area. So therefore the perimeter of the shaded area equals 4 multiplied by 8, which is 32 centimetres.